Take a seat right over there. Sit in your chair when you leave. The desk should be bare, and I'm unaware of how the room got into this mess. Got so aggressive. I know you meant all good intentions, so listen closer. Why don't you take your notes? Clean up when class is over. I can't just let you go. Oh, maybe why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little, so why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle, maybe. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little, so why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle. Oh, take a step back for a minute into the classroom. Floor's a mess, and papers are scattered, pencils are broken. How did we get into this mess? Got so aggressive. I know you meant all good intentions. Listen closer. Why don't you take your notes? Clean up when class is over. I can't just let you go. Oh, maybe why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little, so why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle. Looking at you, you can't lie. Just pouring out excuses, regardless of how useless. Oh, and it's not about my pride. I need you on my team, yeah. Come over, help me clean, yeah. Oh, maybe why can't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little, so why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle, well, no, maybe. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? Oh yeah, I'm losing my mind just a little, so why don't you just meet me in the middle? Oh, in the middle, maybe. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? Maybe I'm losing my mind just a little.